One of the questions I get most often is, how do you deal with your nerves in the lead up to a presentation or during a presentation? Well, you see, that's where I always say, that's my secret. I'm always nervous. Being nervous is completely natural, and it's something that everyone experiences, no matter how professional they are, no matter how many times they've done it. So in this series of videos, that's right, I said series of videos, we're going to look at some tips that will help you to establish what to do with your nerves, or your nervous energy to be more accurate, before, during, and even after your presentation. Number 1, prepare. Poor preparation leads to poor performance. Learn your subject, know it well, know what you're going to say, and how you're going to say it. This will help to improve your confidence and reduce your nerves. Number 2, rehearse. Practice with your family, your friends, in front of a mirror, in front of a camera, so you can review it at a later stage. Practice how you're going to deliver. Check your timings. Make sure that you are on time for what you want to deliver. Listen to the feedback and be honest about the feedback. All of this will help to reduce your nerves because you've already delivered to someone else, even if it is just the man in the mirror. Number 3, do reconnaissance. If you have access to the venue beforehand, check it out. Go see what the layout is, go see what the technical setup is. It gives you an opportunity to figure out how you're going to deliver best, and also you can visualize where your audience will be as you deliver. This is always something that will make you feel more confident because you already know the space that you're going into. It's one of the few unknowns that you now have control over. Number 4, keep a healthy mind and body. Avoid alcohol where possible the night before. Reduce your caffeine intake. Get some exercise the night before your presentation, even if it's just a walk to clear your head and get your thoughts in order. That leads into get a good night's sleep. So make sure that you set your alarm and you get yourself to bed a little earlier than usual, just to ensure that you're storing up as much energy as possible. And then just before the presentation, you will find it difficult to eat if you really suffer badly from nerves, but try snacking on lighter things like fruits, vegetables, or nuts and other pulses. It'll really help you throughout the day to keep the energy in there. So guys, in the comments below, let me know your favorite way to prepare for a presentation. If you like this content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you can keep up to date with the next videos coming in this series on nervousness. The chances of running into blocking, and this is where the script goes wrong, so rehearse, people.